Good afternoon, everybody. Dr. A back in the garden. I'm at the Trial Gardens at the University of Georgia, and I have to share these fabulous plants. These are Caladiums, and a lot of people are, they don't know a lot about Caladiums or what they do or why they would even use them. Well, this is why. They're beautiful. They tolerate shade. Some of them even take a lot of sun, and they certainly tolerate heat. This is just a few of them that are available on the market today, and we could go on and on and on and on. Spectacular plants, disease-free, bug-free, the Caladiums. Enjoy them. For more info, you might want to take a look at my app, Armitage's Greatest Garden Plants, and learn a bit more. Otherwise, come see me in beautiful Athens, Georgia, and we'll take a look at Caladiums together.